Now, the first topic in this course, which is attention, is covered in lessons 2, 3, and 4. So in these 3 lessons, we look at attention from both Buddhist perspective as well as from the perspective of current neuroscience and cognitive psychology. Now, from the Buddhist perspective, my colleague Alan Wallace is presenting primarily from the perspective of attention training, particularly through the practice known as shamatha training, which is really a cultivation of attention and mindfulness with the aim of developing the ability to remain focused on a chosen object. And Alan talks about different practices in the Buddhist tradition where we take different objects like breath, mental events, and the awareness itself as objects of training the mind. Now, in the Buddhist thought, in psychology, Buddhist psychology, attention is referred to as manaskara in Sanskrit. And the Tibetan word is yilachepa. And yilachepa literally means bringing to mind. And the idea behind this term, bringing to mind, or manaskara, is the idea of some form of selection, some form of orienting towards an object, and somehow applying your mind. So there is this application of mind concept embedded in this Buddhist construct and understanding of the word attention, which I think is helpful as we think about attention.